Today in this class we will draw the graph of the linear equation in two variable. First main, in that first one, x plus y equal to 4. Put x is equal to 0. 0 plus y is equal to 4. Automatically y equal to 4. Next, put y equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 4, x plus 0 equal to 4. So x equal to automatically 4 is the answer. Now I will put x value as 0 when y value as 4, and x value is 4 when y value is as 0. Got it? Now using these x and y value we can draw the graph of the expression x plus y equal to 4. Okay, this is your graph. So x o x dash will be the x-axis, and this is y o and y dash will be the y-axis. Now take the points x equal to 0, y equal to 4. So x equal to 0 when y equal to 4. Okay, this is the next one. When x equal to 4, y equal to 0. When x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Okay, this is considered as P. When x equal to 0, y equal to 4, and this is Q. When x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Keep scale on these 2 points, draw a straight line. Keep exactly scale on these 2 points like this and draw one straight line. That will be the your exact straight line of the equation x plus y equal to 4. Okay, listen here. Just I draw one straight line which represent the equation x plus y equal to 4. Always put arrow mark on both sides because it consists infinite solution, and also represent by arrow mark x plus y equal to 4 means this straight line represent this equation x plus y equal to 4. There are lot of number of points on this straight line. Those all points represent the solution of the given expression x plus y equal to 4. Now I only represent 0, 4 and 4, 0 for the purpose of drawing. There are infinite points on the straight line. All the points which are lie on this straight line, all are the solution of this expression x plus y equal to 4. That's why we already understood that there are infinite solution for the linear equation in two variable. Clear? Now the next one, y equal to 3x. You can represent y equal to 3x as y minus 3x. Now put y equal to 1. Now 1 minus 3x equal to 0. Now 1 minute, sorry. Put x equal to 0. Y minus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Y 3 into 0, 0. So automatically y equal to 0. So draw one table here. X, y. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Clear? Next one. Put x equal to 3. X equal to 1. X equal to 1. Y equal to minus 3 into 1 is equal to 0. Y equal to minus 3 equal to 0. Y equal to 3. Clear? When x equal to 1, y equal to 3. When x equal to 1, y equal to 3. Next one. When x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Y equal to minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 0. Y equal to minus 3. When x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 3. When x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 3. Clear? From these coordinate we can draw the graph of given equation y equal to 3x. Clear? Okay, next one. So next, draw the graph of the equation y equal to 3x from these coordinate x equal to 0, y equal to 0. First one, x equal to 0, y, this will be exact position of this, okay, 0 0, name it as p. Next one, 1 3. When x equal to 1, when x equal to 1, y equal to 3, represent as q 1 3. Clear? Next one, minus and minus 1 3. So x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 3, this represent r minus 1 minus 3. Now take scale, keep this scale on 3 points and draw a straight line. Okay, this is your straight line which represent the equation y equal to 3x. So put arrow mark here, put arrow mark here. Okay, this given line represent the equation y equal to 3x. Got it? This is second one, this is third one, second one and fourth one you can take it as a homework. Clear? Now the second question, give the equation of two line passing through 2 and 14. How many more lines are there? Okay, so x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 14. Now I will write one equation, x plus y is equal to 16. Okay, means 2 plus 14, 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. From using these 2 points, I can directly write one equation, x plus y equal to 16. Okay, one equation I got. Next one, 7x minus y equal to 0. So 7, I will put 2 here, I will put minus 14 here. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. From these 2 points again I write one more equation, 7x minus y. Okay, so what they ask, how many more such lines are there? We can draw infinite lines, or you can write infinite equations using 214, because linear equation in two variable having infinite solution. Therefore we can draw infinite number of lines using these 2 points. Clear? Next question is third one. If the points 3 4 lies on the graph equation 3y equal to x plus 7, find the value of a. They already given x equal to 3, y equal to 4. These 2 points are they already told these 2 points are lie on this equation. Now they asked to find the unknown value of a. So put x value and y value in the given equation, and then you can easily find the unknown value. Y value is 4, 3 into 4. X value is 3, 3 into x plus 7. 3 4s are 8, 3x plus 7. Okay, so 3 4s are 12. 3x is equal to 12 minus 7. 3x is equal to 5. Sorry, not x. Put a here. A. Here also a. Here also a. Now a equal to 5 by 3 is the value of a. Okay, so already they given x equal to 3, y equal to 4, which are lie in this given expression. Put x value as a 3 here, y value as a 4, 3 4s are 12, 3 into a 3a plus 7, 3 equal to 12 minus 7, 3 equal to 5, 12 minus 7 equal to 5, a equal to 5 by 3. This is your answer. Okay.